You don't need expensive software or animation skills to make a doodle video that actually gets watched, Mace. And I'm about to show you exactly how, for free. No $500 subscriptions, no drawing tablets, just a few free tools, one simple structure, and about an hour of your time.
Most beginners get stuck before they even start, and they think doodle videos need a whiteboard, a camera, and years of drawing practice. So they never publish a single video, and that idea just sits there, unused, forever.
A doodle video is just simple icons and illustrations that appear on screen in sync with a voiceover, explaining an idea step by step. It works because our brains process visuals faster than plain talk-only video, so people watch longer, and they remember more. What used to take hours of manual drawing can now be done by AI in minutes. Let me show you exactly how.
The old way meant dragging every icon onto a timeline yourself, minutes, one scene at a time, for hours.
Now, AI-powered tools can turn a simple text prompt or script into a finished whiteboard scene automatically. Step 1. Pick an AI whiteboard tool. You don't need to buy anything to try this.
Step 2. Open the tool's website in your browser and create a free account. No card needed for the free tier. Once you're in, look for a new project or create video button and choose the whiteboard or doodle style template. Step 3. Type or paste in your script. This is the one thing the AI needs from you. Hit generate, and the AI automatically matches each line of your script to a whiteboard style scene. No manual dragging required. Step 4. Customize. Swap out any icon or character you don't like with one click. You can record your own voice or let the built-in AI text-to-speech read your script for you in seconds. Step 5. Turn on auto captions. Most of these tools generate them for you automatically, matched to your voiceover. Step 6. Export. Free plans usually allow at least one export, sometimes with a small watermark. What used to take 3 to 6 hours of manual dragging can now take as little as 10 to 15 minutes with AI. Quick recap. Pick a tool, create a free account, paste your script, let AI build the scenes, add voice and captions, then export.
This exact format, short scenes, simple icons, clear voiceover, is why doodle-style videos tend to hold attention longer than plain talking head clips.
Educational whiteboard channels like After School have shown for years that this style connects with audiences. You're using the same core idea, just with modern free tools.
The barrier to entry used to be skill and money. Now it's just following these steps. Don't wait for the perfect script or perfect voice. Your first video just needs to be finished, not flawless. Quick recap. 1. Write a short, simple script. 2. Pick a free tool. 3. Build your scenes with the free assets inside it. 4. Record your voiceover. 5. Export with captions and publish.
Your next step is simple. Hit me. Open a free tool right now and create just one 60-second scene today.
You don't need money or experience to start. You just need to press record.
If this helped you, subscribe to creatorsiq. Every week, we break down another simple way to grow your channel for free. Go try one of these AI tools with your very next video idea, and subscribe to creatorsiq for more free ways to grow your channel.